Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron on patches. First, gather your materials, your patch, the garment you're applying it to, an iron, and a thin pressing cloth or pillowcase. Make sure your garment is clean and free of wrinkles. Next, preheat your iron to a medium-high setting, typically around 300 degrees Fahrenheit or the cotton setting. Turn off the steam function completely. This preparation ensures a smooth and lasting application for your patch. Once your iron is ready, carefully place the patch on your garment in the desired position, with the adhesive side facing down. Cover the entire patch with your pressing cloth. This protects both the patch and your garment from direct heat damage. Now, press down firmly with the iron for about 20 to 30 seconds, applying consistent, even pressure. Avoid moving the iron around too much during this step. After ironing the front, turn your garment inside out. Apply the iron directly to the back of the patch area for another 30 seconds. This helps activate the adhesive fully from both sides. Once done, let the patch cool completely without disturbing it. This cooling period is crucial for the adhesive to set properly. Finally, gently check the edges of the patch. If any part is lifting, simply re-iron that section with the pressing cloth. For delicate fabrics, always use a lower heat setting and reduce the pressing time to avoid damage. If you want maximum durability, especially for items that will be washed often, consider adding a few stitches around the patch edges after ironing. This provides extra security and prevents peeling over time. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. Following these tips will help your iron-on patches last longer and look great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.